Okay, so here is the 4 2.5 double car garage. They do the vinyl up and down on the front. It's side by side on the back. 3 sides. Does come with a keypad for the door. Walking in to the right is a staircase that has the bedrooms upstairs. To the left here is the half bath. Good size room. Come in and living space here. Does have blinds in it. So TV area, bar, and table. Does have the nice large bar. Extra cabinets off to this side. So this would be where the dining room area is, looking out for those to the back patio. So good sized cabinets. Dishwasher. This one does have water filtration on it. Comes with a refrigerator. Here is pantry. I would add another shelf. This next door is a coat closet. So it'd be good for the vacuum and whatever coats. This is under stair. So they said that they've shelved in here as well for like bigger things like the deep fryer and all those extra appliances that are too big to put into the cabinets. All right, double car garage. That is an insulated door. I don't know if that comes with filtration. This says maybe you can put a whole house and they just put that drinking thing in there, so that might not be the case. Water heater, and then this is how you can shut all the water off to the house if there was a leak. You know what? Make sure that light's off. Okay. Go out back. A little bit of a patio. Your yard does go out to these flags here. So flag to the other orange flag over there. And back, there's a vinyl fence that you have to have. So looking down either side. So a nice size yard. I mean, you do need to do sprinklers. I mean, that's obviously going to keep the water or keep the grass nice and green. All right. Well, that is for a fan. They just don't put them in. They are, every bedroom is boxed for one if you do decide to put a fan. All right, so coming up the stairs. These all do have the safety windows with the latches. So coming off to the right is 2 bedrooms. Obviously that's the HVAC. Coming in this is the front bedroom over the garage. Looking out the front. Just a normal size closet. So that light right there, that's box for a fan. So if you do decide to put one in. Here. Okay, here is the second bedroom. That looks out to the very front. Normal size closet. Turn that light off. So here off to the right is laundry. Good size bathroom, double vanity with the tub shower insert. And then this back bedroom, this would be number 3. So they're all the same size. This looks out to the backyard. But this one has a really nice walk-in closet. So good size room, and then I do like this closet. Okay. And then, oh, linen closet. And then coming into the master, which it has 4 lights and a place for the fan. So good size. You have 2 windows. This one obviously looks out to the front. And then you have another, at least for light. And then into bathroom, double vanity. Good size shower, tub, water closet, and closet. So good size space for that. Okay, that's all. All right. Okay. All right. All right, another look around really quick. I'm over here in the corner, so plenty of living space here. Space for dining room table over there. Lock that. Lights off. That light. Okay. And half bath. And then they would clean all this stuff up too. All right, and I guess what she had said was it's the fourth house. Which, if it's the same size, kind of would be nice not to be right on these power lines. So there's going to be a house that's going to go right next to the model where those two cars are. There. So there's a second one, third, and then fourth where that truck is. That is where the two-story is going to be. On that main. So if they put the fence up on the back side, that would be nice. Anyways, we'll find out. All right, thanks.